Good morning, students. Now we can discuss some of the problems based on average speed and speed. So, exercise 1, first problem. Problem number 1. See, students, a body travels 30 kilometers in 1 hour. A body travels 30 kilometers in a body travels 30 kilometers in 1 hour. So find the average speed of the body. Then question mark is find the average speed. Find the average speed of the body. Find the average speed of the body. This is the question. This is the question given. A body travels 30 kilometers in 1 hour. Find the average speed. So now we have the formula. So solution. So we have the formula. Average speed is equal to. So what is the formula we have? Average speed is equal to total distance traveled average speed is equal to total distance traveled by what do you write? Total time taken. So total time taken. So average speed is equal to total distance traveled by total time taken. So total distance, okay, this is the total distance by total time. You can write in shortcuts. Total distance you write it TD and total time you write it T comma T. Okay, students. Okay, students. Now we can do some problems based on average speed. So first problem you see, students. First problem. A body travels. A body travels 30 kilometers in 1 hour. A body travels 30 kilometers in 1 hour. Find the average speed of the body. Find the average speed. Find the average speed of the body. So this is the question mark. So now solution. See, students, a body travels 30 kilometers in 1 hour. Find the average speed of the body. That is a question mark. Now we have the formula. Average speed. Average speed is equal to. So average speed formula. Average speed is equal to. So total distance traveled. Total distance traveled by total time taken. Total distance traveled by total time taken. So then average speed you are writing V average. V average is equal to total distance S, total time is T. So total distance, if we denote the letter S and total time with the letter T, then average speed is equal to distance by time we should write it. So distance means 30 kilometers. Distance means 30 kilometers and time taken is so 1 hour. So that is 1 hour we are writing. Then it will become 30 kilometer by, you can write per 30 kilometer per hour. So 30 kilometer per hour, that is we write in symbols 30 kilometer symbol km, per symbol p, hour symbol h. So 30 kilometer per hour. Okay students, next problem. A car travels 240 kilometers. So this is a car travels 240 kilometers in 4 hours. So it travels 240 kilometers in 4 hours. Find the average speed of the body. So find the average speed of the car. This is the question mark. A car travels 240 kilometers in 4 hours. Find the average speed of the car. Now, average speed formula we have. Now, so average speed. So now average speed is equal to total distance by total time taken. So total distance by, so total time taken you write it. Total so time taken. So average speed is equal to total distance by total time taken you write it. So then total distance we have, so that is average speed. I write shortcut like this: V average is equal to total distance and below the letter S, and total time and below the letter T. Then total distance is 240 kilometers and the total time is 4 hours. Then cut with the 4 6 24 60. Then you write it 60 kilometer per hour. So this is the answer for second problem. So similarly, you see the seventh problem, student. So problem number 7. So next problem, seventh problem. So a dog ran at an average speed of 3 meters per second. So a dog ran at an average speed. A dog ran at an average speed. A dog ran at an average speed 3 meters per second. 3 meters per second for 20 seconds. For 20 seconds. A dog ran at an average speed of 3 meters per second for 20 seconds. Find the distance traveled by the dog. Question mark is find the distance. Find the distance traveled. Find the distance traveled by the dog. Find the distance traveled by the dog. This is the question mark. Now see, a dog ran at an average speed of 3 meters per second for 20 seconds. Find the distance traveled by the dog. Question mark is distance. Given average speed is equal to 3 meters per second. So, given V average, given average speed is equal to 3 meters per second and time is equal to 20 seconds, and time is equal to 20 seconds. Find the distance traveled by the dog. Question mark is distance traveled by the dog. So now we know that V average speed is equal to, we have the formula distance by time. So then we want distance. So distance is equal to, so distance S is equal to V into T. That is called, so V average into time. So now V average value is equal to 3. V average is equal to 3 meters per second into time is 20 seconds. Into time is 20 seconds. So then seconds gets cancelled. So we have 3 meters into 20. 3 into 20. We will get 60 meters. So the answer is 3 into 20. We are getting the answer 60 meters. And similarly, we can do another problem. So that is distance. So we can do 12th problem, students. That is problem number 12. So problem number 12. Okay, find the distance traveled by the body moving at 20 meters per second in 2 hours. So find the distance traveled. Find the distance traveled. Find the distance traveled by the body. Find the distance traveled by the body moving at. Find the distance traveled by the body. So moving at 20 meters per second. Moving at 20 meters per second in 2 hours. In 2 hours. This is the question mark. Find the distance traveled by the body moving at 20 meters per second in 2 hours. So we know the formula. So V average speed equal to total distance by total time taken. So we have find distance traveled. Distance is a question mark. S is a question mark. So distance traveled is equal to from this one. So distance traveled. Do cross multiplication. Distance S is equal to, so V average into time. So distance traveled is equal to, S means distance traveled. S means distance traveled. Distance traveled is equal to average speed into time. So what will you write, students? Average speed into, so total time. So that is called, so time, total time. This is our formula. So distance is equal to speed into time. So the average speed, find the distance traveled by the body moving at 20 meters per second. So it is moving at the speed of 20 meters per second. So 20 meters per second and in 2 hours. So the time is given in 2 hours. So I will convert the 2 hours into 2 hours is given 2 into, so 1 hour you please write it. So time is equal to 2 hours, 2 into 1 hour, 2 into 1 hour can be written as 1 into 60 minutes. So that is 2 into 60 into 1 minute. 1 minute can be written as 60 seconds. So then, see students, time is given 2 hours. 2 into 1 hour. 1 hour means 60 minutes. So 2 into 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to 1 into 60 minutes. So 2 into 60 into 1 minute again 60 seconds. So that is we are writing here 2 hours. Totally you convert it into seconds. So like this, then second gets cancelled. Then what is left? 20 meters into 2 into 60, 120 into 60. So then 12 2s are 24. 12 2s are 24, and 1 2 3 zeros, 1 2 3 zeros into 6 into meters we have. Okay students, so 12 into 2 24, 3 zeros I have written and into 6 I have written. Okay students, then then you convert